lovely peoples, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Hope you are doing wonderful. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate you clicking on this video today. If this is your first time coming across my channel here on YouTube, thank you for watching, and I will definitely invite you to please subscribe before you go. So in today's video, I do have this very simple makeup look for you guys. I don't know if you remembered a haul I showed you guys not too long ago with this palette. It's called the Vava Bloom palette from Morphe, and this is what I used to do my makeup today. It is a beautiful palette, and I also went in with a couple of new things you would have seen already in a haul from Miss Jaclyn Hill. You guys are going to see those things coming up. And again, the look is really simple, great for this time of year. Really simple looks. I mean, you guys know that I hate to go in with a lot of things on my face. I like to keep it real simple. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I do appreciate your comments and your thoughts in the description box. Everything that I use on my face is going to be down below for you guys. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Toodles. Bye. setting powder is beyond anything I have ever used on my face. And I don't usually do a lot of concealing on my face. So I'm going to go in now with the NW47 powder. And I'm just going to use it as a brush. And just powder my face. The highlighter is just beautiful. So this is the loose powder highlight, and we are just going to put a little bit of this. I'm going to put this on my hand actually, and just a little bit on my hand, just like so. I'm just going to take a brush. Ladies, look at that. Look at that. Let me just put a little bit more on. You don't need much of this, you just need a little. Just on them cheeks. Wow. And we're just gonna blend this out. Look at the highlight. And I'm just going to go back in with my powder, my NW47 powder, because I don't like a highlight that's too bright on my skin. So we're just going to tone it down a little, but it still looks great. That is amazing. And I'm going to go in with the Essesnce Blush. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to, just to the bottom. You get that lovely pinky hue on your cheeks. Just pretty. Just like so. The highlight is just beautiful. So now I'm going to go in with some lipstick. I'm just going to use the same beauty blender over my lips. And I'm going to use one of her lipsticks. I'm going to leave the name of everything down below for you guys. This is a very, very pretty lipstick. I'm just going to go in with a purple lip liner. So now we're going to set everything, and we are going to use the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. And one of the things that you need to know about this setting mist is that you have to shake it up really, really well before you use it, because you're going to have all of this white film on your face. So we're just going to set right now.